Abrasion, corrosion, extreme heat and pressure. You design components that need to withstand the harshest working environments in the world. We can help. Whether specifying a new part or fast-tracking an urgent repair, companies around the U.S. turn to Hayden Corporation as their trusted thermal spray and laser cladding partner. We stake our reputation on long-standing thermal spray expertise. Our broad application experience allows us to develop custom solutions for our customers that others simply can't. We have more than a decade's experience in engineered laser cladding. Our multiple laser cladding robotic cells can coat both small and large components, fully automated, at high volume. And for the repairs that are too large or too time-sensitive to ship, our field team will come to you. After a century in business, we're headed to our next 100 years equipped with the same values we've always had. Customer partnerships, quality assurance, on-time delivery. Your ROI depends on our best work, and we've gladly accepted the challenge since 1919.